Hi guys, Unbox with me with PopMod. I'm super excited. I got 3 blind boxes and yeah. And I got this for my birthday. Thank you, Stoya, for giving me money for my birthday. First, I think this is a new one. I really want the pink one. Mom, which one do you want? My mom wants this one.
Okay.
I think this is a new collection.
Yeah, I think so.
Wow! Look. Can't look. I cannot look. Or the first one.
ямар царайлаг юм бэ?
Okay, now we're gonna open the big one, the pink. I think this is also a new collection. Hello Kitty! The people are like actually like this. Okay, the last one. I'm really excited. Also a new one. I don't know. It's like cool.
Oh my God.